Ahoy there, sailors and landlubbers. Ever found yourself on a ship, listening to the crew and thinking, what language are these guys speaking? Well, today we're unlocking the secret code of the sea. The Standard Marine Communication Phrases, SMCP, were adopted by the International Maritime Organization, IMO, in 2001 through Resolution A.918-22. They were developed to improve safety at sea by ensuring clear and standardized communication, especially between crews of different nationalities. SMCP replaced the older Standard Marine Navigational Vocabulary, SMNV, from 1977, which was found to be insufficient for modern maritime operations. The phrases were designed to reduce misunderstandings, particularly in high-risk situations like navigation, mooring, and emergencies. Or as I like to call it, how to sound like a salty old sea dog and not an absolute muppet. Let's dive in. The first rule of ship talk: no mumbling, no slang, no guesswork. This isn't a WhatsApp group chat. You gotta be clear. Instead of, what was that? You say again, instead of, I don't really get it. You say, I do not understand. If only dating worked this way. Say again. Alright, if you want to sound like an actual sailor and not a lost tourist, you need to master navigation commands. Turning left? No, it's called port, and you say, altering course to port. Turning right? That's starboard. And you say, altering course to starboard. Imagine if we did this on land, altering course to Walmart car park. And that's how you navigate like a true seafarer. Remember, on a ship we speak ship. Speeding up, increasing speed to full ahead, slowing down, reducing speed to dead slow ahead, stopping, stop engine.
Stop engine.
Might not work on your Toyota, but at sea, it's life or death. Now, let's talk about ship radios. Ever heard a messy radio call? Like,
hello, is this working? I think we're going somewhere. Over, maybe.
Bridge to engine room. Do you read me? Over.
Engine room to bridge. I read you loud and clear. Over.
See, no fluff, no ums. Keep it tight. Stand by. I am standing by on channel 16. Switch to channel 12. How do you read?
Hello, can you hear me?
Next time, just say, how do you read? Fire on board? Fire in the engine room. Fire in the engine room. Man overboard? Man overboard port side.
I think Dave fell in.
No, you shout it loud and clear. Lives depend on it. Mayday, 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 this is MV Sea Dog. We have lost engine power and require immediate assistance. Our position is 45 degrees north, 12 degrees west. Over.
Hello? Yeah, we broke down in the middle of the ocean. Cheers.
Reduce speed to dead slow ahead.
Dead slow ahead, I.
Yeah, don't do that. Let go fore and aft! Tug standing by. All fast.
So can we get off now?
And that, my friends, is how you talk like a real seafarer. No more confusion, no more mumbling, just crisp, clear commands that keep the ship running smoothly. Hit like, subscribe, and tell me, what's the weirdest thing you've heard on a ship? Until next time, keep it shipshape!